If GOG is throwing an internal error out of string range, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. This issue usually happens when the installer runs into a file path problem or when your C drive doesn't have enough temporary space to unpack the game properly. The good news is, you can often fix it without reinstalling anything complicated. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PC game fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about disk space, because this is one of the most common reasons this error appears. Even if you are installing the game to another drive like D or E, GOG still uses your C drive for temporary extraction files during the install process. That means your system drive needs enough free space to handle the unpacking stage before the files are moved to the final location. As a rule of thumb, try to keep at least double the size of the game available on C drive if possible. So if the game is 50 GB, aim for around 100 GB free on C drive before trying again. To check this, open File Explorer, click this PC, and look at your local disk. If it's nearly full, delete temporary files, empty the recycle bin, uninstall unused apps, or move personal files to another drive to free up space. Once you've cleared enough room, close GOG completely and try the install again. If the error still shows up, the next fix is surprisingly simple and works for a lot of people. Rename the installer file. Sometimes very long file names or special characters can cause problems for the GOG installer, especially if the file name includes a lot of version numbers, brackets, or extra text. To fix this, find the .exe installer file on your computer, right-click it, and select Rename. Then shorten the name significantly. For example, instead of something long like setup/cyberpunk 2077 2.0 update 12345.exe, rename it to something much simpler like cyberpunk setup.exe. Keep it clean, short, and easy to read. Avoid special symbols if you can, and don't change the .exe part at the end. After renaming the file, run the installer again and see if it launches properly. In many cases, that small change is enough to get past the internal error out of string range message. If the installer still won't work, make sure you also restart your PC before trying again, because a fresh reboot can clear stuck temporary processes and give the installer a clean start. So to recap, the two main fixes are freeing up enough space on your C drive and shortening the installer file name. These are quick, safe, and easy steps that solve this GOG error for many users. If this helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more simple game install troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.